Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset TP-Link BE3600 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 7 range extender in very easy steps. So without wasting time, let's start the reset process. But firstly we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. Resetting the TP-Link BE3600 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 7 range extender is necessary when it faces connection issues, slow performance, or if you forget the login details. It clears all previous settings and restores the extender to factory defaults, allowing you to set it up fresh with your router. Now plug the TP-Link BE3600 into a working power outlet. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes stable. This means the extender is fully booted and ready. Find the reset button on your extender. On the BE3600, this is usually a small hole/button located on the side or bottom panel. It may be combined with the WPS button on some TP-Link models. Use a paperclip, SIM ejector tool, or pin since the reset button is recessed. Your fingers won't be able to press it directly. Press and hold the reset button. Insert the tool into the reset hole and press and hold the button for 8 to 10 seconds continuously. While holding, you'll notice the LED indicators will turn off and then start flashing. After 8 to 10 seconds, release the button. The extender will automatically reboot. This may take about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the reboot is done, the extender's LEDs will blink and then stabilize. The device is now restored to factory default settings. After reset, the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, will change back to the default. After resetting your TP-Link BE3600 extender, plug it in near your router and connect to its default Wi-Fi name, TP-Link_extender. Then, open a browser and go to tplinkrepeater.net or use the TP-Link Tether app to follow the on-screen steps to reconnect it with your router's Wi-Fi. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.